Dallas Noon.
Okay, so we are filming today Fishbowl integration with UPS World Chip. This is the process that we use to instantiate or start a shipping order from Fishbowl and integrate to World Chip. We'll be talking with John, who's our shipping manager, who will be describing the process.
Okay. So first, really for inventory processes, we have to check the manufacturer order tab of Fishbowl for this particular sales order.
Okay.
So we do that by scanning the sales order into the system.
And that brings up the sales order number in the sales order column,
Correct.
or in the sales order
Correct.
field.
It then brings it up here.
Okay, so that's our manufacturing number, that's 63676.
That's the PO.
Yes, I believe that
Oh,
is.
yeah,
Yes.
okay, so that's your
Okay.
manufacturer order number.
Okay.
Because that pops up as a work order, we have to finish that.
Okay. There's a finish button on the left.
It shows you all part numbers that are allocated for this particular order.
Okay.
We click next. We see our raw material consumption list from our inventory. We click next. And then we can take the finished part, which happens to be a Shade 5 fit over welding glasses in the 33 black frame. We select main stock as if now that part is finished and coming out of our stock room.
Okay.
We then finish that in Fishbowl. And it just takes a moment. Correct. So now, for our inventory purposes, the raw materials that were used in creating this frame with the lenses and the frame have been properly accounted for
Okay.
in Fishbowl.
Okay.
Then we go to picking.
Mm-hmm.
We do the same thing. Scan the order. Double click. This we click on the green arrow,
Mm-hmm.
and then we finish. And this will allow us to print our packing list in shipping,
Okay.
in the shipping tab.
Module. Tab.
We then go to shipping.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing. Order number. Open the sales order.
Okay.
We see that it's not yet shipped. So then, because we have picked it, we
Go
can
to
now
the-
print our packing list.
Paxton. Okay.
This is just print packing list. Your print screen.
And off screen, we're showing that indeed the packing list is being ejected from a standard LaserJet printer. And that's what the packing list looks like. We will include a scan of that for you guys to take a look at later.
Oh, see, this is a good, because it did not finish properly in Fishbowl.
Oh,
So you see on our packing list that our quantity shipped is 0 and quantity remaining is 1.
so we have to go back and fix that. So we're going to see how that's.
I'm not sure
Fix.
why they should both be. Let's finish that as well.
So each item
Each
on
item
this
specifically has to
in
be
the
finished.
status in the order status has to be finished separately.
So now it is status is packed, not yet shipped.
Okay.
We should be able to reprint a packing list. we just have to go to reports and packing list.
Okay.
It shows us, and now our quantity shipped should be 1, and quantity remaining should be 0, which it is.
Okay, just standard print dialog coming out of a LaserJet printer.
And now we have shipped 1 and 0 remaining.
Ah,
Quantity shipped is 1, quantity ordered 1, quantity shipped 1, and quantity remaining 0.
good.
So now we're ready to go into UPS. Since this order is being sent UPS ground,
Okay.
we click on our import key.
Now this is the process.
We have 2 records.
two
found
records, 'cause
for the
that-
key value.
Because you shipped it twice, maybe?
No, it could be that I'm
Not sure.
not sure of.
Okay, okay. So once again, just pause there for a second. So enter import key and is the major way that we interface between the Fishbowl sales order number and UPS World Chip. The communication going between UPS World Chip and Fishbowl inventory, again, is ODBC. It's a ODBC database connection that passes the fields that I had sent over back in early March with regards to the shipping information. So those fields get pulled via query from the Fishbowl database and then populate into these tabs here, or each of these fields rather, here within UPS World Chip. FedEx operates very much the same way.
Yes, exactly the same way.
Okay.
So we check that all our information is correct. Company name, attention, the same person. We have the correct address. They're at Site 203, number 179. We have a correct postal code, and it is for Surprise, Arizona.
I'm not surprised.
The telephone number is there as well.
Okay.
All we have to do is ensure that the shipping service is what the customer has paid for, which in this case is UPS ground. It could be next day air, second day air.
Right.
And
But
then
most of our UPS shipments
our
is UPS ground.
Yes. We enter the package weight, which in this case is 1 pound.
This is 1 pair of safety glasses, so yeah, 1 pound is fine.
And our cost should pop up after we enter the package weight.
Is that
Which is the
negotiated
negotiated
$20.30?
cost.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
Then we also, as you can see, the reference number from our sales order number
Okay.
pops up automatically.
And then reference
then
number 2 is
We
the
also have
the
the PO
customer
number.
PO.
Exactly.
Yes. Very critical for us to have both the sales order number and the customer PO, purchase order number, printed on our labels. Yeah. Why is that $20? I don't know. We're not editing, so don't worry
No.
about it. And then finally,
We process our shipment.
okay. Required field, marked in red. Oh,
Oh, package weight. Has the-
shipment 2.0.
Oh, this is too. What is going on
Is this referring back to the duplicate that?
I think so,
that
yeah.
duplicate order. And try process shipment again.
here? There's 2 though. That's why I don't want. I only want there to be
Yeah.
1 package.
Gotta go back to the page.
Where is P? Oh, here we go.
Delete package.
Yep.
No, I'm in the package.
There we go.
That's why it was
Yep.
$20.
All right, so now we have one package at £1.
Okay. Great. All right, so let's. So that's it for the process, right?
That's it.
Okay. The one thing I would really like to do, can we print another? Is it possible to print a second label?
Yeah.
All right.
This exact label?
John.
Yeah. That way I can cut to it. It's just